experience. Thinking about going on a solo trip but feeling overwhelmed by where to start? You're not alone. Many people freeze up at the thought of planning everything themselves. But what if I told you that embarking on a solo journey can be one of the most liberating and empowering experiences of your life? Not only will you challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone, but you will also discover a sense of strength and independence you never had before. When it comes to preparing for your solo trip, research is the key. Don't just stick to Google searches. Talk to your friends who have traveled solo, read travel books, and even reach out to the experts in the field. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel, and when it comes to book those flights. And speaking of booking flights, be flexible with your travel dates and time to get the best deals. Packing essentials can be a challenge, yes, but remember to keep it light and simple. You don't need to bring your entire wardrobe with you, just the basic that can be mixed and matched. And don't forget to leave some extra space in your luggage for souvenirs and any item you might purchase along the way. But preparation goes beyond just the logistics. It's about getting your mindset ready for the journey ahead. Start visualizing yourself succeeding, overcoming obstacles, and enjoying new experiences. The more you can get yourself pumped up and excited, the more you will be able to overcome any fear or the doubt that may creep in along the way. I'll never forget the moment I found myself standing at the edge of Grand Canyon, feeling the wind whip through my hair as I gazed out at one of the most breathtaking sights I have ever seen. It was a moment of pure awe, and it reminded me of just how small I am in this vast and beautiful world. As I looked out at the canyon, I realized that this trip wasn't just about seeing new sights or trying new foods. It was about pushing myself to be more fearless, more open-minded, and more present at the moment. And in that moment, I knew no matter what challenges lay ahead, I was ready to face them head-on. Looking back on the experiences, I reminded of the transformative power of solo travel. It has the ability to stripe away all the fears, doubts, and reveal us to the strength and resilience we never knew we had before. So I reflect on my own solo journey. I'm struck by just how much I have grown and changed as a result of it. I've become more confident, more self-assured, and more willing to take risks. And I know that no matter where the life takes me next, I'll always be able to look back on that journey as a turning point. So, what can you take away from my solo journey? Firstly, remember that it's okay to be scared. Fear is a natural part of stepping outside your comfort zone. But don't let that fear hold you back. Take a leap, book the tickets, and trust you'll figure it out as you go. Secondly, be open to new experiences and challenges. Don't just stick to what you know and love. Try new foods, visit new places, talk to new people. The more you put yourself out there, the more you will grow and learn. Thirdly, don't be afraid to take and ask for help. Whether it's a fellow traveler, local, or even an online community, there is always someone who can offer you advice or the support at the time of need. And finally, remember to be kind to yourself. Solo traveling can be tough, and it's okay to have bad days or big mistakes. Just take a deep breath and keep moving forward. If you're thinking of embarking on your own solo journey, I highly encourage you to take that leap. I might be scary, and it might be scary, but trust me. It will be worth it. You will discover a sense of strength and independence you never knew you had before, and you will return home a changed person. Thanks for watching, and if you have any solo travel stories of your own, be sure to share them in the comment box below. Thank you.